Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, has been a household staple for centuries, known for its versatile applications in cooking, cleaning, and even health. Dating back to ancient Egypt, it was used in natural remedies and preserving mummies. Over time, its uses have expanded, and today, it's recognized for its potential health benefits, including its ability to aid digestion, soothe skin irritations, and even enhance athletic performance. But how much of these claims are rooted in science, and how much is just hype? In this video, we're diving deep into the surprising and often overlooked ways baking soda can benefit your body. From improving kidney health to supporting your body's detoxification processes, you'll discover how this simple kitchen item might be more powerful than you think. If you're excited to learn more about natural health solutions, make sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned to get all the details on how baking soda could become your new health ally. 1. Neutralizes stomach acid. Have you ever experienced that uncomfortable burning sensation in your chest after a meal? That's heartburn, often caused by excess stomach acid. While over-the-counter antacids are a common remedy, there's a simple and natural alternative you may not have considered: baking soda. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, has been used for generations to neutralize stomach acid. When consumed in water, it reacts with the acid in your stomach, producing salt, water, and carbon dioxide. This chemical reaction helps reduce acidity, offering quick relief from heartburn. Essentially, it works just like an antacid but without the added chemicals or artificial ingredients often found in store-bought remedies. The simplicity of this remedy is part of its appeal. A half teaspoon of baking soda mixed into a glass of water can be enough to soothe heartburn symptoms after a meal. It's affordable, widely available, and easy to use, making it a go-to option for many people looking for a natural solution to indigestion. However, while baking soda is effective, it's important not to overuse it. Regular or excessive consumption can lead to imbalances in your body's pH levels, so it's always best to use this remedy in moderation. 2. Natural teeth whitener. Baking soda is a popular, affordable, and natural option for teeth whitening. Its mild abrasive properties gently scrub away surface stains caused by food, drinks, and lifestyle habits like smoking. Unlike some commercial whitening products that contain harsh chemicals, baking soda provides a safer alternative that minimizes damage to your enamel while gradually brightening your smile. When mixed with water, baking soda forms an alkaline paste that helps neutralize acids in the mouth, reducing the risk of tooth decay and promoting oral health. This alkaline nature also makes it harder for bacteria to thrive, helping to prevent plaque buildup and freshen your breath. To use baking soda as a teeth whitener, simply mix a small amount with water to create a paste, and brush your teeth with it a few times a week. You can also sprinkle a little onto your toothpaste for extra stain-removing power. However, while baking soda is a gentle abrasive, overuse can wear down tooth enamel over time. It's recommended to limit brushing with baking soda to a few times per week and consult your dentist for personalized advice to ensure your teeth stay healthy and strong while achieving a brighter smile. 3. Enhancing athletic performance. Baking soda has garnered attention in the athletic community for its remarkable ability to enhance performance. This natural compound acts as a buffering agent, helping to neutralize lactic acid buildup in muscles during intense exercise. Lactic acid is a byproduct of anaerobic metabolism, and its accumulation can lead to fatigue and decreased performance. When athletes consume baking soda before their workouts, it raises the pH levels in the blood, delaying the onset of fatigue. Research indicates that this can lead to improved endurance, allowing athletes to push their limits further, whether in sprinting, cycling, or high-intensity interval training. To harness these benefits, a typical recommendation is to consume about 0.3 grams of baking soda per kilogram of body weight, roughly 30 to 60 minutes before exercise. However, individuals should be cautious, as consuming too much at once can cause gastrointestinal discomfort. As with any supplement, it's advisable for athletes to test their tolerance and consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating baking soda into their regimen for optimal performance results. For reducing gout symptoms, baking soda may offer relief for those suffering from gout, a form of arthritis caused by the buildup of uric acid in the joints. Gout attacks can lead to severe pain, swelling, and inflammation, often affecting the big toe, knees, or ankles. Sodium bicarbonate, the main component of baking soda, works as an alkalizing agent, which can help neutralize excess uric acid in the bloodstream. By lowering the body's acidity, it may reduce the risk of uric acid crystals forming in the joints, which are responsible for gout flare-ups. Some gout sufferers have found that taking small amounts of baking soda dissolved in water provides temporary relief from symptoms. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting this remedy, as consuming too much baking soda can lead to side effects like increased blood pressure and electrolyte imbalances. 5. Relieves skin irritation and sunburn. Baking soda is known for its soothing properties and can be a helpful remedy for skin irritations, including minor burns, rashes, and sunburn. Its alkaline nature helps to neutralize acidic irritants on the skin, which can alleviate discomfort and reduce redness. Additionally, baking soda acts as a mild antiseptic, potentially preventing infections in affected areas. To use baking soda for skin irritation or sunburn relief, you can make a simple paste by mixing it with water. Apply this mixture to the irritated area, letting it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before gently rinsing it off. This method can provide a cooling effect and temporarily ease inflammation. Alternatively, adding about half a cup of baking soda to a warm bath and soaking for 15 to 20 minutes can relieve larger areas of sunburn or irritation. While baking soda is generally safe for external use, it's important to avoid applying it to broken or severely damaged skin, as it may cause irritation. Always do a patch test before applying it to a large area, especially if you have sensitive skin. 6. Supporting kidney health. Baking soda plays a vital role in supporting kidney health, particularly in individuals with chronic kidney disease, CKD. The kidneys are responsible for maintaining acid-base balance in the body, and as kidney function declines, they may struggle to eliminate excess acids. This can lead to a condition called metabolic acidosis, which can further harm kidney function and overall health. Research has shown that supplementing with baking soda can help neutralize excess acidity in the blood. By raising bicarbonate levels, it can slow the progression of CKD and reduce the need for dialysis in some patients. This approach has been studied extensively, with findings indicating that patients who consume sodium bicarbonate regularly experience improved metabolic profiles and enhanced quality of life. It's essential for individuals considering baking soda for kidney health to consult with healthcare professionals to determine the appropriate dosage. Proper monitoring is necessary, as excessive intake can lead to imbalances in sodium levels. 7. Easing urinary tract infections, UTIs. Baking soda can be a helpful remedy for alleviating the discomfort associated with urinary tract infections, UTIs. UTIs are commonly caused by bacterial infections, leading to symptoms such as burning during urination, frequent urges to urinate, and abdominal discomfort. One of the key benefits of baking soda is its ability to neutralize urine acidity, which can help reduce irritation in the urinary tract. By raising the pH level of urine, baking soda may provide relief from the burning sensation often experienced during urination. This can make the urination process more comfortable while the body fights off the infection. Additionally, baking soda can help create an environment less favorable for bacteria to thrive, potentially aiding in recovery. To use baking soda for UTIs, mix a teaspoon in a glass of water and drink it. However, it's crucial to note that while baking soda can relieve symptoms, it does not treat the underlying infection. For persistent UTIs, seeking medical advice is essential. 8. Detoxification. The idea of detoxification is widely popular, with many believing that certain products and diets can cleanse the body of toxins. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is often touted as a detoxifying agent. But what does the science say? Baking soda plays a role in maintaining the body's acid-base balance, potentially aiding in detoxification by promoting a more alkaline environment. Some proponents argue that this alkalinity helps the body eliminate toxins more efficiently. Moreover, baking soda can support kidney function by reducing acidity, which is crucial for the kidneys to filter out waste effectively. However, it's essential to differentiate between scientific facts and marketing claims. While baking soda can assist the body's natural detoxification processes, it's not a miracle solution. The liver and kidneys are naturally equipped to handle detoxification. For most people, maintaining a healthy diet, staying hydrated, and exercising regularly are the most effective ways to support these organs. In conclusion, while baking soda may offer some benefits related to detoxification, it should be viewed as a complementary tool rather than a primary detox method. Baking soda, while helpful, isn't for everyone. Overuse can lead to side effects like alkalosis, where your body's pH levels become too high, causing muscle spasms, confusion, or even more serious conditions. If you have high blood pressure, kidney disease, or are on a sodium-restricted diet, baking soda may not be a safe option. Always consult with a healthcare provider before trying any new remedies, especially those involving sodium bicarbonate. Thanks for watching.